The Defense Research and Development Organization has fundamentally altered the maritime security calculus with the development of the Long-Range Anti-Ship Missile, a weapon capable of striking maritime targets at extended ranges with hypersonic speed. The LRASHM is a strategic asset designed to enforce sea denial and assert dominance over vast swaths of the Indian Ocean region. The core technology that distinguishes the LRASHM from standard cruise or ballistic missiles is its configuration as a hypersonic glide vehicle.
Long-range anti-ship missile, LRSHM, is a hypersonic glide missile. So this missile is being developed by DRDO for Indian Navy requirements. Its basic advantages are it is hypersonic in nature, so that enemy radars cannot detect this missile from their enemy radars. Its range is about 1500 kilometers. It can carry different payloads and then defeat the warheads in the ships deployed in the ocean. The beauty of this missile is that it's a hypersonic speeds it will travel, and then its aerodynamic efficiency is very high. Because of that, we can able to glide very long distances.
This specific configuration allows the missile to perform mid-flight maneuvers that defy the logic of traditional interception systems. Most modern air defense networks are calibrated to calculate the future position of an incoming threat based on its current trajectory. The LRASHM negates this advantage by constantly altering its course and altitude while maintaining hypersonic velocity. By the time a ship's radar locks onto the missile, it has likely already changed its vector, rendering the firing solution obsolete. This unpredictability, combined with extreme speed, makes the weapon practically immune to current-generation anti-missile shields, including advanced systems used by major global navies. The operational range of the missile is another aggressive capability that reshapes regional geopolitics. With a strike range exceeding 1,500 kilometers, the LRASHM allows Indian forces to threaten hostile surface groups long before they can bring their own weapons to bear. This capability is critical in modern naval warfare, where the primary objective is often to neutralize the enemy's aircraft carriers, which serve as floating air bases. An aircraft carrier is the most valuable asset in a naval fleet and typically operates with a protective screen of destroyers and frigates. The LRASHM is designed to penetrate this protective bubble. Its range ensures that Indian launch platforms, whether land-based mobile launchers or naval vessels, can remain safely outside the retaliation zone while delivering a lethal blow to the enemy's center of gravity. The destructive potential of the system relies heavily on kinetic energy rather than just chemical explosives. While the missile carries a warhead, the sheer velocity at impact generates a catastrophic amount of force. An object weighing several tons striking a vessel at Mach 10 delivers energy comparable to a meteorite impact. This kinetic force is sufficient to punch through the reinforced deck armor of an aircraft carrier or physically tear a smaller warship apart. The damage caused by such an impact is often structural and irreparable, leading to the immediate neutralization of the target. This leads to the classification of the LRASHM as a carrier killer, a term that carries significant weight in international defense circles as it directly challenges the ability of superpowers to project power via carrier strike groups. Guidance and accuracy are maintained through a sophisticated suite of sensors designed to withstand the extreme conditions of hypersonic flight. The deployment of the LRASHM provides a massive strategic advantage by creating an anti-access area denial zone. Any hostile naval force attempting to enter the Bay of Bengal or the Arabian Sea must now assume they are being tracked and targeted the moment they cross into the Indian Ocean. This effectively pushes the enemy's operating lines thousands of kilometers away from the Indian coastline, reducing the threat of carrier-based airstrikes or amphibious landings. It forces adversaries to rethink their deployment strategies, as the risk of losing a capital ship to a single unstoppable missile is a cost few nations can afford to pay. Furthermore, the indigenous development of this technology underscores a maturation in India's defense manufacturing capabilities. Mastering hypersonic glide technology is a feat that only a few nations, such as Russia and China, have achieved. It reduces reliance on foreign imports for critical strategic weapons and ensures that the Indian armed forces have access to the specific tools required for their unique security environment. The LRASHM is not just a defensive tool for protecting a coastline, but an offensive instrument capable of projecting power deep into the maritime domain.